Hi, I'm Simon from Truma and I'm going to introduce you to the Aventa Comfort air conditioning system for caravans and motorhomes. This is the Aventa Comfort and it's 2,400 watts of cooling. So if you want to be nice and cool in the summer, then this is the unit you need. And also it's got 1,700 watts of heating. So as a secondary heating, if you've got the Truma combi boiler or the Aldi heating system, this one will help you warm the caravan up in the winter. This is the remote control for the Aventa Comfort, and we can turn the air conditioning on using the blue button. Once we press the blue button, it shows us the functions. So at the moment we're set to cooling. We've got the snowflake there, 16 degrees, and our fan speed is maximum, the fan wheel there. If I want to change the mode, I press the mode button and it goes down to the heating system. Okay, so at the moment I've got that one set to 31 degrees, and again I've got the fan set to maximum. If I press mode again, I can have auto, and that will change the speed of the fan. If there's a high demand, the fan will go fast. If there's a low demand, the fan will slow down. And mode again is a circulating symbol, which is just the air circulating throughout the van at normal van temperature. If you wanted to adjust the fan speed on the remote control, then you can use the fan speed button. So at the moment we're on minimum, we press the button, we go to medium fan speed, and then up to maximum. Okay, and if we wanted to change the temperature on heating or cooling mode, we can use the temperature button down here, press it up, obviously to increase the temperature, and down to reduce it. The minimum temperature you can go to on cooling mode is 16 degrees, and the maximum on heating mode is 31 degrees. So if you want to operate the air conditioning system, press the blue button and it will come back on the last setting that was selected. So this one was on cooling and it was selected at 16 degrees on maximum fan. Once you press that, you'll get a blue flashing light to denote that it's in the cooling mode and it's waiting for the compressor to come on. Once it's ready to come on, it will go to a permanent blue light and you'll hear the compressor kick in. And if you want to put it on heating mode, press the blue button and select the heating bars and select whatever temperature you want. So I'll set this one to 31 degrees just to show you that it's on the heating mode. And when it is on heating mode, you'll get an amber flashing light or an orange flashing light on the diffuser to show you that it's in the heating mode. Once it goes to a permanent amber light, then the compressor's on and you'll start getting heat out of the system. This particular air conditioning unit, the Comfort, has also got lights on the diffuser. So by pulling down the panel on the remote control and pressing the light button, just press and release, you'll get the lights on the diffuser to come on as well. It's worth saying at this time that our air conditioning systems are mains operated only, so 230 volts, and the light will only operate when you're connected to mains. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do need any help or advice, then give Tamar Caravans a ring, and you can also find lots of helpful videos here.